Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss some questions from shares and dividend. The first question is elucidate the meaning of the statement 20% rupees 100 shares at rupees 110. The answer is it means the face value of one share is rupees 100. Second meaning is the market value of one share is rupees 110. Third meaning is the dividend earned on one share is 20% of the face value. Fourth meaning is an investment of rupees 110 gives an income of rupees 20. Now the second question is explain brokerage. Answer is the sale and purchase of shares is generally done through agents called share brokers or simply brokers. Brokers charge commission from buyers as well as sellers. The broker's commission is called brokerage. Now, we have to keep in mind first point is brokerage is calculated on the market value of the share. Second point to be noted is a buyer has to pay market value to the shareholder and brokerage to the broker. Third point to be noted is the seller of the shares receives the market value but has to pay the brokerage to the broker. Now, third question is Nancy bought 500 shares of a company quoted at rupees 275. If the brokerage be 1%, find the amount paid, find the amount spent by her on this purchase. The solution is cost of one share equals to rupees 275. Now the cost of 500 shares equals to rupees 500 into 275, that is equals to rupees 1,37,500. Now brokerage paid by Nancy is equals to 1% of rupees 1,37,500, that is equals to 1 by 100 into 1,37,500. This double zero is cancelled and then rupees 1,375 is the brokerage. Therefore, total amount spent by Nancy on one share, that means on 500 shares, is this. Both we are adding 1,37,500 plus 1,375, then we get 1,38,875. So this so much Nancy spends on 500 shares. Fourth question is find the price of 9% share with face value rupees 100 that gives 12% income. Solution is let the market value of each share be rupees X. So now by investing rupees X, income derived is equals to rupees 9. So by investing rupees 1, income derived is equals to 9 by X. So by investing rupees 100, income derived is equals to 9 into 100 by X%. And now according to the question, income derived equals to 12%. So income derived we have got 9 into 100 by X and that is equals to 12. So this implies by crisscross multiplication we get 12x equals to 900 and therefore x equals to 900 by 12, that is equals to 75. Therefore, hence the value of each share in the market equals to rupees 75. Now, the fifth question is how many shares of market value rupees 12.50 each can be purchased for rupees 12,625 if the brokerage paid is 1%. The solution is cost of one share equals to rupees 12.50. Now brokerage on one share equals to 1% of rupees 12.50 because brokerage is always calculated on the market value. Market value is 12.50. That's why 1% of 12.50 is equals to 1 by 100 into 12.50, that is equals to 0.125 rupees. So net cost on one share equals to 12.50 plus 0.125, then we get rupees 12.625. Now total money invested equals to rupees 12,625. Therefore, number of shares bought equals to investment divided by net cost on one share, which includes the brokerage too. So that is equals to 12,625 divided by 12.625, and that is equals to, after removing the decimal, 1000 comes up, and then 12,625, and this numerator and denominator both have 12,625, that is cancelled, and that is equals to 1000. This is the number of shares bought. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.